Yo, what's up everybody? It's cryptokrytonite. So you're trying to get into crypto mining, huh? You've got your rigs all set up, GPUs are hungry for action, but hold up a second. Before you hit that start button, we gotta talk about the software, the unsung hero of your mining operation. It's like the operating system for your mining rig, the thing that actually makes it all work. And trust me, choosing the right mining software can make a world of difference in your efficiency and ultimately your profits. We're talking about squeezing every last drop of performance out of your hardware because in the world of crypto mining, efficiency is king. The right software can mean the difference between barely breaking even and actually stacking those saties. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down some of the top contenders in the game. We'll dive deep into their features, pros, cons, and everything in between so you can decide which one is right for your specific needs. We'll be looking at things like ease of use, compatibility with different hardware and algorithms, fees, and of course overall performance. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future updates on crypto mining and more. Let's get started. First up, we've got NiceHash, a name you've probably heard thrown around a lot in the mining community, and for good reason. It's known for being super beginner friendly. Seriously, even if you're completely new to this whole mining thing, NiceHash makes it incredibly easy to get started. One of the coolest things about NiceHash is that it automatically benchmarks your hardware when you first set it up. That means it figures out what your rig is capable of and selects the most profitable coin for you to mine. No need to spend hours researching different algorithms and messing around with settings. NiceHash does it all for you. They've got this really clean and intuitive interface that even your grandma could figure out. It gives you all the essential info you need at a glance. Your hash rate, accepted shares, current profitability, and more. Plus, they have this awesome feature called NiceHash Quick Miner, which is specifically designed for NVIDIA GPUs and requires basically zero setup. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows with NiceHash. One thing to keep in mind is that they do take a slightly higher fee compared to some other options out there. It's usually around 2% of your earnings. Another thing to consider is that because NiceHash is focused on ease of use, it might not give you the same level of granular control over your mining settings as some of the more advanced software out there. So if you're the kind of person who likes to tinker and fine-tune every little detail, NiceHash might feel a little limiting. Next up, we're going old school with CG Miner. This one's been around since the early days of Bitcoin and it's still going strong. Now, CG Miner is definitely not as beginner-friendly as NiceHash. In fact, it's all command line based. So if you're not comfortable typing out commands, this one might not be for you. But there's a reason why CG Miner has stood the test of time. It's incredibly lightweight, which means it uses very few system resources, allowing your hardware to devote more power to mining. That can translate into higher hash rates and ultimately more profit. On top of that, CG Miner is open source, meaning the code is freely available for anyone to inspect, modify, and distribute. This makes it a popular choice among experienced miners who value transparency and security. CG Miner also gives you a crazy amount of control over your mining settings. We're talking fan speeds, clock speeds, voltage, you name it. If you know what you're doing, you can really fine-tune your rigs for maximum performance. However, all that power and flexibility comes at a price. CG Miner can be a real pain to set up and configure, especially for beginners. You'll need to be comfortable with command line interfaces and have a good understanding of mining terminology to get the most out of it. Alright, moving on to BFG Miner. This one's a bit different from the previous two because it's specifically designed for ASIC miners. So if you're rocking GPUs, you can skip ahead to the next chapter. BFG Miner is known for its advanced features and customization options. It supports a wide range of ASIC hardware from different manufacturers, and it gives you granular control over things like clock speeds, voltages, and fan speeds. Just like CG Miner, BFG Miner is also open source and command line based. This means you'll need to be comfortable with typing out commands to configure your mining settings, but hey, with great power comes great responsibility, right? One of the standout features of BFG Miner is its built-in overclocking and undervolting tools. These allow you to push your ASIC miners to their limits and potentially squeeze out even more performance. However, a word of caution: overclocking can also increase the heat generated by your miners, so make sure you have adequate cooling in place. Another cool thing about BFG Miner is its support for pooled mining. This means you can team up with other miners and combine your hash rate to increase your chances of finding a block and earning rewards. Overall, BFG Miner is a powerful and versatile mining software that's well suited for experienced ASIC miners who are comfortable with command line interfaces and want maximum control over their mining rigs. Let's talk about XMRig, a mining software that's specifically designed for mining Monero and other cryptonite-based cryptocurrencies. If you're looking to mine Monero, XMRig is definitely worth checking out. It's known for its high performance, efficiency, and ease of use. Unlike CG Miner and BFG Miner, XMRig actually has a graphical user interface, making it much more beginner-friendly. But don't let that fool you. It's still packed with advanced features that experienced miners will appreciate. One of the things that sets XMRig apart is its focus on privacy. Monero is known for its privacy features, and XMRig is designed to complement that by minimizing the amount of data that's sent over the network. Another advantage of XMRig is its support for multiple mining pools. This means you can easily switch between different pools to find the one with the highest payouts and lowest fees. And here's a bonus. XMRig is completely free to use. That's right, no dev fees, no hidden charges, nothing. The developers behind XMRig believe in open source software, and they want to make mining accessible to everyone. But keep in mind, while XMRig does support both CPU and GPU mining, it really shines when it comes to CPU mining. So if you're planning on using your GPUs to mine Monero, you might get better performance with a different software. Last but not least, we have Cryptex. Think of Cryptex as the set it and forget it option for crypto mining. It's designed to make mining as simple and effortless as possible, even for complete beginners. One of the coolest things about Cryptex is that it automatically detects your hardware, optimizes your mining settings, and even converts your earnings into your preferred currency. It supports a wide range of mining algorithms, so you're not limited to just one cryptocurrency. Cryptex will automatically switch between different algorithms to find the most profitable one for your hardware. And the best part? You don't need any technical knowledge to get started. Cryptex has a really user-friendly interface that guides you through the entire process. Just download the software, create an account, and you're good to go. Cryptex will take care of the rest. However, all that convenience does come at a price. Cryptex takes a commission on your mining earnings, which is typically around 2 to 3%. That being said, for many users, the convenience and ease of use might be worth the slightly higher fees. Another thing to consider is that because Cryptex is designed to be so hands-off, it might not give you the same level of control over your mining settings as some of the other options we've discussed. So, if you're the kind of person who likes to tinker and fine-tune every little detail, Cryptex might not be the best fit for you. But if you're just looking for a simple and easy way to dip your toes into the world of crypto mining, Cryptex is definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, 5 awesome crypto mining software options, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right one for you really comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you're rocking a powerful gaming PC and you're just looking for the easiest way to start mining, NiceHash or Cryptex are great options. If you're more technically inclined and want maximum control over your mining rigs, CG Miner or BFG Miner might be more your speed. And if you're all about that Monero life, XMRig is the way to go. No matter which software you choose, the most important thing is to do your research, experiment, and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try out different options and see which one gives you the highest hash rates and profits. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Cryptokrytonite channel for more crypto mining tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep on mining.